Hi everyone, welcome back. So, guys, let us move to the next step. The third step that you need to do is you need to create a page objects class. Inside the page objects, you just want to define your locators. So, what I am gonna do right now means I'm taking this swag demo application, which is a SaaS Lab application. Just for now, I would like to perform the login into this operation only for now. Once at the end, once we are done with all the six different steps, seven different steps inside the framework, then from this login scenario, we will convert it into end-to-end flow that we will see at last. But for now, let's focus on this login. So right click on a username field, inspect. It does has an ID property. If you remember the page factory mechanism that we have implemented, we specified the page locators in a class. Along with that, we have also specified the respective methods using those locators, right? So let us do the same thing here. So let's come back. Inside the page objects, I'm creating a new Python file with the name as a login page. And here I'm naming my class as a login page itself. Okay, login page is my class. And in this particular login page, I wanna define a particular constructor. So define constructor. And for this particular constructor, I'm just defining this driver and I'm making as self dot driver is equal to driver, and this driver we need it from Selenium. So from Selenium, import WebDriver. I just want to import this particular WebDriver from Selenium. What else we need to do? As we have defined this constructor, the next and foremost thing is you need to define the attributes, right? Right click on a username field, inspect. It does has an ID, so copy it. So self dot username text field is equal to specify that particular attribute, which is the username field attribute. I have specified it. Okay, username attribute, I have specified it. Okay, just surround it. Okay, just surround it. Okay, perfectly all right. And the same way as you need to define the self, it should be inside this def. Okay, so self dot. And the same way, right click on a password, inspect, and it does has an ID. So self dot password text field is equal to, I have defined my password. Self dot login button is equal to, I have specified the login button attribute as well. Inspect it, and it does has an ID property, and I updated this login button attribute. Perfect. So once we are done up to all these things, I need to perform a login operation. So I'm creating a particular function right now, login app. Okay, I'm just making this particular as a login app. So here by default it does has a self. And right now what we need to do, this self has a driver instance using which I'm trying to identify an element. I'm trying to identify an element by using its ID property, and that particular ID, this by, we need to import it from Selenium. That's fine. By ID, and the field value is an username text field. And for now, I'm using my send keys. Okay, I was just using my send keys, and the value that I want to use here is an ABC. Okay, the same way I want to go with the a password text field as well. So I want to go with the password text field as an ABC. And finally, I want to go with the login button dot a click. So here this should be click. I just performed all these operations. So this is what my login flow is. And on top of it, I just wanna add a sleep for about 9 seconds. Just I added a sleep for a 9 seconds to check the login is successful or not. So this is the way how I have created a class in which I have defined my page locators followed by respective methods using that particular page locators. That's all about this particular step. In the next session, we will continue with the further example. Thank you.